Okay, my friends, so welcome to the Forex Pro dashboard, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to access your indicators and templates. Okay, so upon signing up, you should be logged in. You should actually see this, exactly what you see on the screen in front of you on your screen. Okay, so these are the indicators and the templates that you need to insert into your trading platform. Okay, so you need to download these, save them onto your desktop, and then enter them into your trading platform. This last one here is the chart template. Okay, so you need to actually insert this into your template section in your trading platform. So what you'll need to do is go over to File, download that, save it to your desktop, go to File in your MT4 desktop, go to Open Data Folder, and simply go to your desktop, copy that, and actually paste that in your template section there. So just right click and paste. Okay, the indicators, you'll need to select on MQL4 and just paste them into your indicator section. Go back to your trading platform, close it down, open it up again, and the indicators will be in your platform to load onto your charts. Okay, so the settings for I'll just discuss the actual indicator here. So the Forex Pro dashboard, the indicator. Okay, we have three different types of indicators: RSI, stochastic, and ADX. Okay, so you select the one you want to do. You select the critical upper levels you want. For RSI, I like it at 80, and the lower level is 20. The critical upper level total is 600, and lower is 200. You can enter whatever one you want. Okay. Depending on what type of trading method you're doing. Symbols, you can enter any symbol you want in there that your trading platform has. Next one is a template. Okay, so if you want to trade a different signal template, you just enter the name of that template in there, and it will automatically open that up when you click on the timeframes on the chart. Okay, so the next dashboard is stochastic. Okay, so the critical upper level for it, I like to have it at 90. And the lower level at 10. Okay, but these total critical upper and lower stay the same, 600 and 200. Okay, so similar story there. The ADX, okay, ADX is different. You can set your critical upper levels to whatever you want, depending on how you want to trade that. There's a lot of people trade that for directional moves in the market. Okay, so that's how to use the Forex Pro dashboard. Okay, next, by clicking on one of the time frames on one of the charts, it directly opens up the chart in that time frame. Okay, and the indicator section will have the FX ACE MACD SR, which is the support and resistance MACD divergence indicator. So we'll select that and say we want to have the indicator search for signals on different time frames. So we'll just select true on the time frames here. If we want to set up push and email alerts, you can do so here. There is another video in the members area where you can actually watch that and how to do it. Okay, if you're looking to enter a buy trade, you're going to have to insert the prefix into the line on as SUP and as resistance RES. Also the threshold of pips, you want to start looking for pips or looking for signals within 40 pips of where you've got the line. Then simply change the value there, whatever you want. You can change it to whatever you want there. Okay, so we'll select here. We'll put in lines in the chart. Say we want to look for a sell signal here. We'll simply put in RES, RES. Okay, and that's it. For there we go. So you can see the AEDJPY is just giving me a signal on the 15-minute chart for a divergence signal. Okay, that is possibly happening. Okay, we'll have to wait for that to print. And for the lower, we'd want look. It will only alert us when there's a signal at this line for support. Say down here, SUP, SUP. Okay, very simple. Okay, super easy method, and basically takes all the hard work out of your trading. Again, if you trade a different signal entry than what I do, the divergence dashboard, you simply just enter that into the dashboard, and it will automatically, when you click on that, it will automatically open that chart on that asset. Okay, so hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. and enjoy the Vault X Pro